What's up, everybody? Lord Zephyr here, and I'm back with Karma, aka Jared, here with more Elsword. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe to join our Elsword team. And so, what are we going to be doing today?
We got the dungeon.
Yeah, let's advance a bit more into story mode before we do anything.
Let me see what this is. Yeah, it's harder high, so we might not be doing the original.
True.
Okay, yeah.
Jared's sleepy pet. Where'd you go?
Oh, wait. Oh, you're not my... You're not my party.
Good job, my friend.
Frick. I forgot. Alright, are you still at the bank?
Yeah. I'm still I'm just like running around the bank. You mean?
Stay still. Quit jumping.
Quit being floppy. Alright.
Okay,
Now let's give this a shot. More Jurassic Park. More lizards. Get whacked. Woo! Loot. On to the next stage. Yeah, that jump kick. Got him. Found a thing in the barrel. In a box. Clear. Next stage.
Well, what'd that say?
Random mission.
Resurrect party members.
Resurrect?
Then you gotta cover me. That means like when you die. So I'm guessing it knows that we're gonna die. We got this stuff. We won't.
Yeah.
It says resurrect. So, I don't know if that's...
We're the undying ones.
We'll start dying later on.
Boom. Get blasted. There's a box.
Oh, I completed the quest.
Great, I'm trapped in a box again.
Did you say you were trapped in a... Oh. Why is my screen like this? Why is my screen like this?
Oh my gosh, it looks like it. That is one ugly looking armadillo.
Can I like change my view or something?
Ah, it's a bird! What's it? Well, it's a bird!
Why is my screen like this? like zoomed into my character. Oh, because I scrolled in. Okay.
Coming in for assistance. Boom, boom, beat. Boom. Get kicked. Ooh, a chicken.
Oh, that wasn't the boss.
That's that giant thing.
That thing?
Yep. Here we go.
See, look, now you're level 24, and oh god, it's gonna be this thing. You're always gonna be a level above. Yay. You know what? I've had enough of this dude.
What? What's wrong?
I've had enough of this guy. So I'm eating the legit fudge out of him. Because I'm
Same.
awakened. Get roasted, man.
Explosive charge.
Done.
Hip check. I just stand there and laugh maniacally. Ooh, quest cleared. I got a.
Flaming grill.
Yeah.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Well, I got this.
Giant lizard guy again. My character just looks and acts so much like Karma from Assassination Classroom. Ooh, there she is. She probably needs to wear more clothing. Alright.
Hey man, don't be picking on my sister.
I'm not. Although if it were Jace, on the other hand, if he were here, I think he'd have some different words. So, anything else?
Well, I am getting stuff.
Geez, I'm already level 25.
Are you kidding me?
But I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm just existing in this world. I gotta figure out how to. Part of me just wonders how much actual money people will spend on this game. I should probably ask for money to put on my computer for my birthday or something, and then probably get the extra slots for my extra skills.
You're gonna spend money on this game.
I'm saying I might, but I'm not sure.
Boy, I hate when people do that. God. Okay. Well, it's your money wasted. Let's do this.
Yep, here we go. Yeah, it's another ugly lizard. Arctic travel. Ooh.
I got that for my other character.
There's an armadillo behind us. Oh, we're moving this way. Alright.
This is new. I want to be the same level as you, because then they can level up together. Freaking making me angry. What is that? Stop with your flaming, man.
I know.
Oh, crap.
We.
I want to see your XP bar. Or see my XP bar. I don't know what our XP bar is. Do we even have an XP bar?
Yeah, you see it at the end of every quest.
Boy, not that XP bar. I meant like, is there a quick XP bar?
No, I don't think so.
I think there is. If I'm looking at what I think it is.
You never know. Then again, we're still slightly new to the game. Oh, it's another bird!
Oh no, it just gives you freaking.
Squaw.
I wish there was an option to see your XP bar, man.
I know.
I want to see it. Look. You guys got fat heads.
I know, they're like a bunch of ugly great makos from Jurassic Park.
Did you say ugly great makos from Jurassic Park?
When they're supposed to be from MHGen, I know what's wrong with me.
Boy, I'm done with you.
No. We. I know. Kayak is invincible. Yeah. Do we freaking care? No, because we don't give a crap.
Wreck these fools. Man, you're annoying. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. It's this giant lizard. I'm going for him.
Do you have your awaken thing yet?
Oh. Oh, when I press control? Yeah. Yeah. Fear the power of my awakened awesomeness. For there is no politics. Boy, I am ultimate. Sniper shot. Huh. Yeah. Wrecked.
Boy! Oh my god!
What's wrong?
You're freaking level 26 now. It's just gonna be that way where you're always a level higher than me. Can I get to my quest, please? I don't care about titles, man.
Yeah. Alright, guys. It looks like we're running out of time, so we have to wrap things up. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next vid.